Hello, I'm Master123 with another trick and tutorial. So for this effect, I am using my tiny playing cards. So I need 15 cards. So we'll look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 cards. You don't need the rest of the deck, so put that aside. And then have the spectator point to any card. Say they point to the ace of spades. Sorry. Now be like, alright, this is row 1, this is row 2, this is row 3. Now say, is it in row 1, 2, or 3? I say it's in row 3. So gather the cards up and lay the cards out again. Alright, so is it in row 1, 2, or 3? They say it's in 3. So gather the cards up again and lay the cards out once again. Alright, so now row 1, 2, or 3. They say it is in row 2. So gather the cards up. Now I'll lay out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 cards. Alright, so now that you have the spectator, pick any two piles. Say they pick these two. Put these away. And then say pick any pile. Say this one. Alright, so then you have them pick any two cards. And you say these two. And say pick any card. And they pick this card. And that card is the ace of spades. Alright, if you like that trick and you want to know how it's done, don't forget to stick around for the tutorial. Alright, for the trick you can use any 15 cards you want. You can even have the spectator pick 15 cards if you want. But it's any 15 cards at all. So it's 3 rows of 5. So they pick, so let's say they pick the 10 of spades. So gather the cards up. You want to always make sure it's, say this, so this first row, want to make sure that row they have the card in is the second row up or down. So you want to maintain the order when you gather them up. And then just keep doing it. Alright, so you want to keep doing that until it's in the second row in the third position. But like, so if they pick it in the second row, at first, do it until it's the second time. So then you'll gather them up just like before, maintaining the order, and you'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This right here, this is the card. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So now you'll say pick any two cards. Say they pick any two piles. Pick these two, take those away. Alright, so now pick any pile. Say they pick this pile, you just take it away. Say like as if they pick that pile to go away. So then say pick any two cards. Say they pick these two cards, take them away. Alright, so say if they pick these two cards, you'll say keep this one and keep this one, and put this one away. Say pick any card, say this one, and then be like, you picked your own card. And they'll be all amazed and like very stoked and very baffled. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment telling me what you thought of the trick. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment. Click right here to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell as well.